So to get rid of this Copilot icon over here, you can make a right click on this icon. Once you make a right click, you will see dock option. So if you want to simply hide it, you can simply click on dock and it will hide it. But if you want to get rid of it, uh, if you want to get rid of it, then make a right click, move to ribbon, and it will go to ribbon over here. Now once it goes to ribbon, you can make a right click and then customize the ribbon. Click on customize the ribbon, and over here you can see assistant. So you can select assistant and then you can remove it. Remove assistant. Make a right click and remove it. Once you remove it, click on OK, and here you can see it's gone. So this way you can get rid from Word or Excel on your Windows computer. Now if you want to get it back, or if you want to like reset customization for ribbon, then you can make a right click on ribbon, customize ribbon, and then over here you can see reset. You can click on reset only selected ribbon tab and then click on OK, and it will be back. So if you want to get it back, but I will just remove it, make a right click, customize the ribbon, assistant, make a right click, remove, and then OK, and it will be gone. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.